Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this awesome Pride Warrior pin. It's definitely one of my favorites that I have made so far. I've been walking around with it everywhere with it clipped on my shirt, and everyone I've talked to seems to like it. People are asking questions about it, so let's get into it and show you how to make it. I used veneer to make all the little colored layers, so the first thing we're going to do is cut out strips of each color. Next, we're going to head over to the bandsaw and cut our blank in half. After that, we're going to glue up all of our layers. Next, we're going to glue this whole thing up. I used a little bit of parchment paper to keep the glue off of my drill press clamp. Now we're going to repeat this process with the side we didn't cut through, so that we've got 4 little strips of these layers going through the whole pin. I did have a little bit of an issue with the layers separating after a few days, so I took some CA glue, put it back in the clamp, and soaked that all in, and it held together really well. Next, we're going to drill out our hole for our pin tube and glue that in. And then we're ready to turn it on the lathe. We're going to do a CA finish for this one. If you guys want to see my whole process for CA finishes, I'll link the video up above. And now we're just going to get everything assembled together. And here it is, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give us a like if you like this video, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much.